Alright YouTube, so today was just a day of hanging out with family and eating good Southern food. Time for fried chicken, Southern style. Mom is a genius at fried chicken. So how do you make it?
The secret to great home fried chicken is to put lots of love in it because you're cooking it for the family or friends that you love. Never ever put the lid on tight, or if you do, the chicken will sweat. You want to leave the lid off to the side and then never turn it until it is completely browned on one side. Once it's brown, turn it to the other. Season it again with seasoned salt, pepper, and real salt, sea salt. And finger licking good, enjoy it.
Ready? Alright, first taste of fried chicken.
You get a little stitch, little preview. Look at this. Is it out of focus?
Nope.
Okay. Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
So salty and delicious.
In every good way.
And the breading is perfect. Don't you want some?
Not quite golden enough. This one is. Oh yeah, that's what you're looking for right there, that nice golden look.
Last night in Oklahoma, family feast on the Traeger. We've got corn on the cob. And now it is time for the gravy. How do you make gravy? In the fried chicken grease.
For family this size, maybe like about 1/4 cup. And then what you're going to do is use your gold medal flour, and you want to cook it. It's very important to cook your flour because you want to cook all the gluten out of it to make your roux. And I just put a little seasoning, salt and pepper in it. I had a home economics teacher that told me if you don't want your husbands to have heart attacks, be sure you cook the flour.
Okay, so here we go. The meal for tonight: cranberry fluff, gravy, fried chicken, mashed potatoes, and corn on the cob with butter, onions, bacon, cream cheese. And when we get back to Oregon, cleanse. Excited about dinner tonight?
Yes.
Here it is, the full plate of Southern love. My brother Brad wasn't in the Christmas video, but because he was in the other room. But here he is now.
Hello.
Missionary in India. What do you have to eat, Brad?
Something I don't get in India.
Fried chicken.
Yes.
Alright, YouTube, so today was just a day of hanging out with family and eating good Southern food.
Very soon, we are all going to fall into a fried chicken coma after eating that meal.
In the South, food is just an expression of love. And look, guys, don't worry about it. All you have to do is cook out the gluten. That's it. We love you guys. We hope that you had an amazing day. Spend time with your family and friends and eat some wonderful food. Good night.
Good night.